Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. We'll look under the hood real quick. What's your name, man? What's in here first?
Alex Gallardo, single 15, audio pipe BDC4 on a CT Sounds 2K, stock electrical, so it's really only pushing like 500 watts.
500? Yeah. Okay.
Like a little under.
Nice.
Pushing,
a couple more questions, sorry. Go ahead.
You're good.
It was pushing what?
I think it was exactly 461.
Oh, so really low, under 500.
Yeah.
Nice, okay. So what's your, do you know the port tuning or cubic size?
It's tuned to around 28. I peak at 31. And I've gotten it to play as low as 17, just not very loud.
Okay. And this is the amp, CT2000?
Yes, sir.
Is it at 1 ohm or?
2 ohm.
2 ohm, okay. Any extra electrical upgrades?
Nope, stock.
Stock, all right. Any door speaker upgrades?
I got 4 Black Diamond, I forget what they are. They're only getting probably 40 watts. They're 250 RMS.
Okay. Any plans on electrical upgrades?
Not soon, but eventually 96 amp hour headway.
Oh, that's a big jump.
Yeah.
Can I see the back real quick?
It's ratchet strap, so you just gotta open the back.
Okay, sure. I was just trying to see where the port was.
Oh yeah, it's side firing right here to the left.
Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, right down there. Got it. I see it. That's is that an 8-inch air port?
Yeah, 8-inch, I believe.
Yep. Nice. Good job, man.
Thank you so much.
I think this sub is rated at 1200 RMS.
Yes.
Or is this the 1800?
Oh, no, it's 14, I believe.
14. Okay.
14.
I'm still learning. Okay.
That's all good.
Sweet. Send this daily driver?
Yes,
we
sir,
can. Sure. Yeah, we can take a picture. I'm sweaty.
No, it's all good, dude.
All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Appreciate the info. It looks good.
Sorry, I gotta add some.
Hey, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna roll this down. Is it a bit louder window up or down?
Yeah, louder.
Okay. It's like 110 degrees out.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's all good, don't worry about it. I'm used to the heat. So I sweat a lot.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Take them off and pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it in a little bit. Coming up your stereos. Hard to tell though, cause I switch the flow. Eyes a little low, cause I twist the jaw. Pockets on slow, cause I move the O's. My neck, my wrist, my ears is froze. Come get your bitch, she on me dog. She must have heard about the dough. Now cat to come on and say low. I get it drunk in the club, I'm on. I'm on
Awesome, man. Appreciate the demo.
Appreciate it.
Good job, man.
Thank you so much.
Sweet.